Hi everyone, and thanks for being here with me today. I'm making some easy, delicious rice cakes, and I'll have all the ingredients and instructions in the description below this video. But I'm starting out with 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and about, I don't know, a couple of tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever cheese you have on hand. Just mix that well. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of cooked rice that I already had made. I had that in my refrigerator, and it was just leftover. It's a great way to use up leftover rice. And you just want to mix that really well. And go ahead and heat up your pan on about medium. You can turn that down a little bit as they begin to fry, but medium heat to start with, and just add a couple tablespoons of whatever oil you have on hand. And then just use some kind of measure to try to keep the patties somewhat similar in the same size. And so just put those in there. And I had to fry mine in a couple different batches. And just gently pat that down a little bit and fry that for 4 to 5 minutes on one side. After they're done on one side, you can turn those over and do another 3 to 4 minutes. I have some cheddar cheese. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that over each one of them. You don't have to do that, but you can use whatever you have. Again, whatever you have on hand, anything works. And you can remove those from the pan before the cheese melts, because the patties are hot and the cheese will continue to melt. And here I'm going to go ahead and do my do another batch. And like I said, I use this little dipper here to measure them out, and I pat the rice down in it to make sure they're packed in really well. This just works really well for me. You could use an ice cream scoop if you have that, or just whatever you have on hand. It's all about making this easy and quick. So they're done. I'm going to plate these up, and if you like, you can add some kind of a sauce. I'm using a combination ketchup hot sauce with these. Just whatever you like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.